For my entire life, I have made instant ramen the same way, by adding water to the spice packet in instant noodles. I had no idea what I was missing. But recently, I decided to add some ingredients to my instant ramen, and I was amazed at what a delicious dish I created by just adding a few things to that instant ramen packet. Wash and slice your mushrooms and green onions. Add the seasoning packet and 2 cups of water to a pot over medium heat. Now add the mushrooms. They need the longest time to cook. Cook the mushrooms for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add the noodles. Once the noodles have softened, add the green onions and crack an egg and slowly drip it into the soup mix. I apologize. The steam from cooking is fogging up my camera lens, so it's a little hazy. Cook a couple minutes longer until the egg has cooked all the way through. Top it with sesame seeds and a little bit of chili oil, and now you are ready to eat this delicious creation.